Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to add funds to our MetaMask. The first step is go to the MetaMask app, and you need to log in your portfolio, and you pick here in the principal page of MetaMask. You need to put in the superior part in the right corner in View Portfolio. So you pick here, and after that, they send you to your portfolio. And when you go to the principal page of your portfolio, you are here in dashboard, and you need to put here and buy. So if you want add the funds, the only thing you need to do is put what cryptocurrency you want to buy, and the method of pay you pay. So, for example, if you pay with a debit or credit card, and if you want buy like Ethereum or Bitcoin, you can change here, and in what currency you want to buy. For example, if you from of Spain, you need to buy in euro. So after that, you need to put here the net you want to buy. For example, in Transact, you put here, and you put in Connect MetaMask, and your wallet connect to the portfolio, and you can complete the buy. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.